Hello students, today we are going to discuss about heat capacity of gases. Heat capacity of gases at a constant pressure. What is heat capacity? It is defined amount of heat required to increase the temperature of 1 kg of a substance by 1 degree Kelvin. It is mathematically written as capital C is equal to dq by dt. C is nothing but heat capacity, dq is equal to change in heat, dt is nothing but change in temperature. Are you clear or not? Okay. At a constant pressure, so heat capacity is defined Cp is equal to dq by dt. Cp is nothing but heat capacity at a constant pressure. So P represents the pressure. Are you clear or not? Okay. So from that dq is equal to Cp into dt. This is equation number 1. Integrating the above equation 1 between the heat transfer rate 0 to capital Q and to temperature capital T1 and T2. So integration of 0 to capital Q dq is equal to Cp into integration of T1 to T2 dt. Are you clear? Okay. So the integration of 0 to Q dq is nothing but capital Q. The limit is 0 to Q. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Capital Q minus 0. Finally we get capital Q. That is equal to RHS integration of T1 to T2 Cp into dt. Are you clear? Okay. So the finally heat capacity of gases at a constant pressure capital Q is equal to integration of T1 to T2 Cp into dt. So this is the expression for heat capacity of gases at a constant pressure. This is equation number 2. Empirical equation for heat capacities. Heat capacities are function of temperature and are frequently expressed in polynomial form over a temperature range of 298 Kelvin to 1500 Kelvin. For ideal gases, Cp at 101.325 kilopascal is denoted by the symbol Cp0. Are you clear or not? Okay. For ideal gas condition, Cp is equal to Cp0 at 101.325 kilopascal. So Cp0 is represent, so the specific heat or heat capacity at a constant pressure in standard form, not represent standard state. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here Cp0 is equal to A plus Bt plus Ct squared plus Gt cube etc. So this is the polynomial form. This is equation number 1. Where T is equal to temperature Kelvin, Cp0 is equal to heat capacity at constant pressure in standard form. ABCD is nothing but constant. Are you clear? Okay. Value of these constant for component under consideration are given in appendix 2. This is appendix 2 table for heat capacity of gases. If the value of constant is given in the problem, use that value to determine the rate of heat transfer. If not given, table will be provided during examination. On the table, we have to take the constant value of given compound at various range of temperature. Are you clear? Okay. So these values are based on pressure 101.325 kilopascal. Cp0 is equal to A plus Bt plus Ct squared plus Gt cube in polynomial form. Are you clear or not? Okay. Heat capacity of gases at a constant pressure capital Q is equal to integration of T1 to T2 Cp into dt. This is equation number 2. For ideal gas condition at 101.325 kilopascal pressure, Cp is equal to Cp0. So this is equation number 3. Substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Capital Q is equal to integration of T1 to T2 Cp naught into dt. This is equation number 4. Substitute equation 1 in equation 4. Finally we get heat transfer rate capital Q is equal to integration of T1 to T2 A plus dt plus Ct square plus dt cube into dt. For n number of moles, so the capital Q is equal to n times of integration of T1 to T2 A plus bt plus Ct square plus dt cube into dt. So this expression integrate with respect to temperature. So the finally we get capital Q is equal to n into the first term A into T plus bt into dt is nothing but bt squared by 2 plus Ct squared dt is equal to Ct cube by 3. Dt cube into dt is equal to plus dt power 4 by 4. The limit is T1 to T2. So here the substitute the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. Finally we get capital Q is equal to n into A into T2 minus T1 plus B by 2 into T2 squared minus T1 squared plus C by 3 into T2 cube minus T1 cube plus D by 4 into T2 power 4 minus T1 power 4. So this is the equation number 5. So this equation called as a empirical equation for heat capacity. Are you clear? Okay.
Thank you for your attention.